Hey guys, it's your girl Chrissy J back at it again with another video. And listen ladies, I know this quarantine has us feeling like we can't be cute, we can't get our hair done, our stylist is not taking clients. Like, it's madness. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Like, but your girl Chrissy J has a solution. I have a style that only costs $3 that even you, yes, you, can do. So if you're interested on how I do my top knot ninja bun for, again, only $3, stay tuned. Okay, first things first, y'all. I'm starting off on some old dry hair, and I'm going to be using some Tresemme gel as well as my Eco Styler gel. So then I'm going to be massaging that into my hair, and then I'm going to take a soft bristle brush and brush it up into a nice, neat, secure ponytail. So now I'm going to be taking out my edges so that I can slay, honey. I need to make sure my edges is on fleek. I'm going to be using this edge booster, and then I'm just going to be taking my finger and my brush and just doing my baby hairs how I do. Y'all can freestyle this part if y'all want. The edges are laid. Now we are going to put a silky scarf on top and just putting the rest of my hair into a little bun and securing it with a bobby pin. Now it's time to get bunning. I'm going to be taking that $3 pack of expression hair, or you can use any braiding hair. I'm taking the rubber band that it's originally in, securing it around my own bun, and then separating the hair that's in 3 into 2 even parts. I'm gonna start off by taking one side and just twisting it and twisting it and twisting it. Then I'm going to start just wrapping it around in any way that you want. You can freestyle it, but just wrap it around your own hair bun. And then secure it with a bobby pin. And then do the same for the other side. Okay, bun's nice and secure. Now it's time to slay, bae. All right, guys, so that is how I do my $3 quarantine top knot bun. If you guys like hair videos and want to see more hair videos from me, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment or 2, subscribe, and make sure your notification bell is turned on so that you can see more videos from me. Well guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, y'all know the deal. Tell your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother, tell everybody about the Chrissy J Show. Thanks guys for watching. Mwah. Ow.